Hi guys, just going to show you my Outlander that I've just finished changing graphics on for this season 2020. We're racing with Dragon, DQR, and we're racing with War as well in the UK. Basically I've just had all the bumpers, wheels, everything powder coated floor yellow, along with new chicken shit racing graphics by HTWODESIGNS. So just a quick video, just going to show you around the quad, show you what it's like. It's bright. There we go. Put a bumper that me and my mates made, which is pretty cool because it accesses, you can get to radiator through there to clean it out quicker than a standard bumper, which is a nightmare to get to. I've just changed belt to an Ultimax again, which we had all last year and never had no problems with. This is the floor yellow chicken shit racing stickers. I'm number 443 this year. Got a custom ram bar at the back there that I've made. Floor yellow springs, bead locks. Apart from that, it's the same quad as last year, but just a quick video. It'll not look like that after a couple of weeks, I don't think, after it's been smashed up, but hey ho. You've seen it on another video before where we've started it up, but I'm just going to show you it started up. It's got HMF pipe on it. And hopefully this coronavirus stays away so we can get racing next week.